Dear learners, today I have come here to talk about some very important uh, education related abbreviation, and I hope it will help you in your career in the sphere of your educational journey. So stay with me and let's get started. The first one is IELTS, dear lovely learners. You know, IELTS, International English Language Testing System. It's very important for you guys who wanna go abroad for higher education, higher study, or for doing any job abroad. In most of the developed countries, this test is required by the authority. If you can achieve a good score in IELTS, you can definitely get chance for study or for job abroad, dear lovely learners. And the second one is very common to you because most of the students desire for doing this degree, maybe either at home, I mean homeland, that is in their own country, or abroad, that is Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. I love it. I suggest my students who are good at study, I suggest them to be a doctor because it's a good profession, I think. MBBS. Okay. Finally, GMAT, Graduate Management Admission Test, and you have to do it for applying for a scholarship abroad, because this is a world acknowledged certificate, and the authority, the universities demand for this degree, Graduate Management Admission Test. Okay. And then BBA, you know this, Bachelor of Business Administration, MBA, Masters of Business Administration, and yes, SAT, Scholastic Assessment Test. And it's not only in English, it includes math also, because you know this is a very important requirement for the universities abroad for study, a Scholastic Assessment Test. And you have to study very hard for completing this test. And you know this one, Buddhimatta, IQ, intelligent quotient, and the pronunciation you follow, quotient, intelligent quotient, Buddhimatta Parikha. And finally you have PhD, the most demandful degree, Doctor of Philosophy. I mean, here philosophy, we know it means darshan, but it's not usually meant for only darshan. It means for the highest degree on any subject, maybe physics, chemistry, biology, Bangla, English, any subject. It's the highest degree, Doctor of Philosophy. Okay, next, MD. It's a very good degree for the doctors. আমরা যাদেরকে বলি মেডিসিন স্পেশালিস্ট, আপনি যদি এমডি করেন, এমবিবিএস করার পর, তাহলে হলো কি আপনি এই ডিগ্রি যদি পেয়ে যান, এটা একটা বিশ্ব স্বীকৃত ডক্টরদের ডিগ্রি, এমডি, ডক্টর অফ মেডিসিন, মেডিসিন বিশেষজ্ঞ। এমএস, Masters of Science, it's also very important degree. CV, I mean curriculum vitae, and everyone is related to it for job, applying for any jobs, and mainly in your HSC syllabus or degree English syllabus, you have to write CV. That includes everything detailed in your personal life and in your study qualifications. Okay, and here you see EE, electrical engineer, CE, civil engineer, BTech, Bachelor of Technology, LLB, Bachelor of Law. So in this video, we talked about IELTS, MBBS, GMAT, BBA, MBA, SAT, IQ, PhD, MD, MS, CB, EE, CE, BTech, LLB, and in my next video, I'll be talking about the rest of the abbreviations. So please follow me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.